The irobot Scuba 230 floor washing robot packs extensive robotic and cleaning technology into a sleek, compact package to quickly and easily wash the floors in your kitchen, baths, and other high-traffic areas. Using only fresh solution from start to finish, Scuba neutralizes up to 97% of common household bacteria from sealed hardwood, tile, and linoleum floors. Scuba 230 uses a 3-stage cleaning system that only leaves clean behind. Scuba lays down fresh solution to wash your floor, then uses scrubbing brushes to loosen grime, and a squeegee vacuum to lift away dirty water. Scuba 230 works with regular tap water or Scuba hard floor cleaner. Scuba 230's water management system keeps the cleaning solution and dirty water separate inside the robot. As the clean water is applied to the floor, space is freed up inside the robot to hold the dirty water as it is removed from the floor. Scuba 230 makes multiple passes over all areas of your floor, including those tight, hard-to-reach spaces around the toilet and under cabinets. Scuba 230's superior floor coverage is enabled by irobot's iAdapt responsive cleaning technology. Through iAdapt technology, Scuba selects from over 40 robotic behaviors more than 60 times per second to ensure optimized coverage of every section of your room. Additional iAdapt features include wall-following technology, which ensures the most thorough floor coverage possible, and cliff detection sensors, which allow Scuba to avoid stairs and other drop-offs. Scuba 230 is easy to use from beginning to end. After sweeping the floor, just fill, press the clean button, and Scuba is off and running. To clean the robot, simply empty out the dirty water and rinse. Scuba 230's removable bottom plate easily snaps on and off, so rinsing the brushes and squeegee is fast and simple. Scuba 230 has 2 cleaning cycles,